Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will be showing you the procedure on how to do taxes on Cash App. So if you want to do taxes on Cash App, or if you're looking to file taxes using Cash App, here's how you could do it. So now Cash App lets you file both your federal and a state tax at no cost, regardless of a complexities. That includes situations like self-employment, investment income, and crypto gains as well. Now, what you need is, first of all, you have to install Cash App and you have to create your account as well. Next, you want to tap the taxes tab or head to cashapp.com/taxes on the desktop browser or mobile browser itself. So we could go ahead and open up a browser, type in cashapp/taxes. So when you type in cashapp.taxes, it's going to take you to the next field. So what you need is just follow the guide prompted to begin with the tax return. And if your Cash App business account and earned business related incomes, you may receive a form such as 199 or 1099K, typically providing if income exceeds the reporting threshold. And even without receiving the 1099K, you're still required to report a taxable income such as payment for goods and services. So this is how it's done. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.